Text Distortion in Blender. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners want to learn how to create simple text and apply visual effects in Blender, but find the interface confusing. Clear steps help them understand basic tools, rendering, and compositing. It builds confidence and allows users to create visually interesting projects more easily. First, tap twice on your Blender application to open it on your computer. When the default scene appears, select the cube in the center and press X to delete it. Then press Shift and A on your keyboard to open the Add menu. From the menu, look for the text option and add it to the project. After the text object appears, press Tab to go into edit mode so you can change the default text. Type the text you wanted clearly, then press Tab again to go back to object mode. After that, press numpad 0 to switch to the camera view. Find a suitable angle so you can see the text properly through the camera frame. Adjust the view until the text is clearly visible and centered. Then press F12 to render the scene and see how the text looks. Once the rendered image appears, take a moment to review it carefully. Next, close the rendered panel to return to the main workspace. Then look for the compositing section on the top of the interface and click on it to switch workspaces. In the compositing workspace, make sure nodes are enabled if they are not already visible. Then press the plus sign to add nodes into the workspace. After that, press Shift and A again to open the Add menu for nodes. Next, type lens distortion and add it between the existing nodes in the setup. Once the lens distortion node is connected, set the distortion and adjust any other values as needed to achieve the effect you want. Make small changes and observe how they affect the image. Continue adjusting until the result looks correct. This process allows you to create and enhance text with visual effects. Practicing these steps will help you become more familiar with Blender tools and improve your workflow. Over time, you will be able to create more complex designs and effects with greater confidence and control.